This is Harvey's first feeding. You see? Oh my God! Maya, ay niluya talaga. Oh no! You know how to eat? You know how to swallow your food? One more? Unti-unti lang. Diyos ko. Oh, ganun talaga. Bagong texture. Yummy? Oh, yummy? Oh, wow! Alright? It's alright. You want some more? Oh, you swallow it first before you... Wow! Come on! Oh. Ay, sapo! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! We're going to put it in YouTube and then you make sounds on your poo-poo. Can you hear that? What is it? Oh, you need some more? Oh, you swallow it. You know how to swallow your food. Oh. Only 3. 3 is enough. Wow, very good. You know how to swallow your food. Oh. Yes, of course. That's enough. And then later again, okay? You need some more? Taas pa yung kilo. Oh. Oh, because he won't pay. Oh. Di pa tumutuloy sa na-chat going to his stomach eh. Okay, oh. Come on. You see? You know how to eat your food already. It's so clever. Gorgeous baby. It's so gorgeous. Oh, see, you know how to swallow already? That's enough. Next time again. Are you happy now? Sam, Harvey, are you happy? He's going to swallow his food. It's not enough? It's not enough for you? Huh? It's not